Hello, dear friends of the internet. It is me, Edward, of dash.red, and today I'm going to install the Dash Electrum wallet on Debian. The latest version is 9.9. So here you can see I have my Debian box. This is running inside of Oracle VirtualBox, and I'm going to log in for the first time. So this is a fresh install. I haven't updated the operating system or anything. The exercise here is to see if I can get the Electrum wallet to install. So I'm going to launch a terminal. There we go. So there's a terminal, and I'm going to become root. So here I am, root. Now, if you look here, I've prepared some scripts that should help me get this done a little bit quicker. The first one is called prepare, and you can see that it just does a whole bunch of apt commands to install some new packages that might not be there. In fact, most of them aren't. So let's do a chmod 700 to prepare, and we'll just run it. Now, this script is in the description of this video, so all of the commands that I do here are in the description of this video. The first thing to do is to comment out this CD-ROM section. So I launch VI and do that, and then the rest of the script will run automatically. There it goes. Okay, so that takes care of the preparation. Let's get back into the machine. Here we are. So the next one to do is to install Python. So I'm going to change mod 700, install Python, and run it. Now let's take a look at it first. It is just these commands, which wget python, then extract it and just make it, build it. So let's do that. Next, install Python. Okay, now we need to check on something. If you look at the place where we are, we've just installed Python 3.6.5. And if we do this command, python 3-v, we can see that the current version that is running for Python is 3.5.3, and we need that to be 3.6.5. So to do that, we're going to create a symbolic link from user local bin python 3.6 to user bin python 3. Okay, now if we run that command again, we can see that it is running the updated version, which is what we need. Next is there is a shared library file from an older version of Python that is required in the current version. It's just one file, but we can fix it quickly with a symbolic link. We link from user share py-shared lsb release to user local bin, user local lib python 3.6 site packages. There. Now it's linked properly. Okay, so next we're going to run a command that will build the pyqt5 portion of this. There is an installer for this, but it doesn't seem to work unless you build it. So we build it with the Python pip program install pyqt5. And now it is building. Okay, so we're down to the last step. And to make it faster, I have created a quick script that's called Wget Electrum. Let's just take a look at that. There it is. It just wgets it, tars it, and then CDs into it. I think we're going to still have to CD because it'll run it as a script unless I source it. But anyway, chmod 700, the wget, and let's run it. Okay, so CD into that file. There we go. All right, so we're in the correct directory, and at this point, the only thing that we need to do is run one command which will build the executable using Python. That's the command. Okay, so if we look here, you can see there is now a program called Electrum dash. It's actually right here, the one not with the underscore, but the one with the dash right there. That's an executable program, which you can run from this directory, and it should launch the GUI program, which it does. Okay, there's only one problem. And that is that only root can run it, and only from this directory, unless we make two quick changes. The first is we're going to copy Electrum dash into user local bin. And the next thing we're going to do is there's a directory called Electrum underscore dash that needs to be in site packages. You can either move it or you can use a method of copying it. I'm going to CPIO it, which is a full copy including all multiple links of any kind, so I get it perfectly copied into user local lib python 3.6 site packages. There we go. Okay, now the reason why we did that is I can be another user. I can be Edward, and I can run the program Electrum dash, and it should run as anyone on this system, which it does. There you go. So now we correctly have Dash Electrum installed on a Debian box. Thanks for watching.